when we're planting our annuals, just like I've got these guys in here, these are little zinnias. They're perfect for the summer. They can even cope with all the rain that we're having in certain parts of the country. Incredibly tolerant, love growing in the full sun, and don't require that much water. But in order to keep these little guys going, well, it's important that we give them the right nutrition. With little annuals like this, so those are the bedding plants that we buy in little trays from our local garden centre, we need to feed them every 2 weeks with a liquid fertilizer. This goes over and above your feeding that you do every 6 weeks. So your 6 weeks you would be using an organic pelletized fertilizer. If you're using a liquid fertilizer, you're going to be feeding all the trace elements and micronutrients. So first thing with any organic product, shake it up well, guys, because all the goodness gets stuck in the bottom. We want 10 mils. It's really simple. There we go. 10 mils into 5 litres of water. Give it a good stir. Besides just normal watering, we've now got turbo boosted watering, which is full of all the amazing nutrients, organic, which we're going to be giving not only to the leaves, but also to the soil.